Torres. You see the lumber?
Hard to miss.
Word is they're building something. Something big.
Not our concern, cowboy. We fly the pattern, we come home.
Viper lead, tower. You are clear for engine start.
All Vipers, comm check.
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 Check, check, check.
Viper lead is ready for taxi.
Viper lead, be advised, remain within designated training area. Do not, I repeat, do not deviate from prescribed coordinates.
Copy that, tower.
Captain Maya Torres couldn't shake the feeling that today, the desert was keeping secrets. And soon, she'd be flying right over them.
Viper lead, commencing pattern alpha.
Hey, lead. I'm picking up some weird electromagnetic interference. You getting this? Confirm, Viper 2, running diagnostics.
Viper lead, tower. Maintain current heading. Do not investigate any anomalies.
Tower, requesting clarification on 90.
Negative, Viper lead.
Missile lock. Viper lead is spiked. All Vipers, I'm spiked. Sound off.
Viper 2, spiked! Viper 3, spiked!
Tower, Viper lead declaring emergency. We are showing hostile locks. Requesting.
Its surface seemed to absorb light rather than reflect it, and along its edges a faint blue glow pulsed like a heartbeat.
Viper Squadron.
Viper for Squadron. You are not in danger. Maintain formation. Return to base. Forget what you have seen.
Like hell. Unknown air. Viper lead, tower. Report status.
Tower, did you see that? The unknown aircraft in the restricted zone?
Viper lead, we show no traffic in your vicinity. Recommend immediate RTB.
Tower, copy that. Viper Squadron returning to base.
Captain Torres, I'm Director Graves. Before we debrief, I need you to sign this.
What is Project Shadowfall?
The 8 Mars.
That depends, Captain. Are you ready to learn what your country has really been building?